This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about cloves, and cloves are a great thing to keep on hand in your spice rack. And they're made from the bud of an evergreen tree, and you can find them as whole buds or as we have here, which is ground. And they're used in a wide variety of cuisines from many countries in Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and Latin America, which means having them on hand will give you a really versatile tool in your spice rack. And they have a strong taste that's described as being both sweet and bitter and adding warmth to all your dishes. So it makes a great hot aromatic beverage, and it's used in a lot of warm fruit dishes and for things with fall flavor profiles, since it pairs so well with other spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. So it's great for making things like pumpkin spice or your favorite pumpkin pie, and for using in a wide variety of cuisines from a variety of different countries, right, all around the world. So having cloves on hand, always a must in your spice rack. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.